diamonds, symbols of love, power, and timeless beauty. But not all diamonds are created equal. Some shine with perfect clarity, while others carry visible marks deep within, known as inclusions. So what's the real difference between a flawless diamond and one with visible imperfections? And why do some diamonds sell for tens of thousands more, even when they look similar to the naked eye? In this video, we'll break down the science, pricing, and beauty of clean diamonds versus included diamonds, and reveal which one may truly be worth your investment. Inclusions are internal characteristics, like cracks, carbon spots, or small mineral traces, trapped inside a diamond during its formation. Remember, diamonds are formed under extreme heat and pressure over billions of years. These flaws are part of the natural process. In fact, most natural diamonds have some level of inclusion. Completely flawless diamonds are extremely rare. Types of inclusions include feathers, internal cracks; crystals, tiny minerals inside the stone; clouds, a group of pinpoints; needles, long, thin inclusions. The fewer and smaller the inclusions, the higher the clarity grade, and the higher the price. A flawless diamond, or FL grade, has no internal or external flaws visible under 10 times magnification. The clarity is pure. Light travels through it without disturbance, giving maximum brilliance and sparkle. These diamonds are extremely rare. Fewer than 1% of diamonds mined are considered flawless. That's why they're so expensive and often sold at auctions or used in elite jewelry. But here's the truth. Most people can't see the difference with the naked eye between a flawless diamond and one with slight inclusions. Diamonds with inclusions are far more common, and they come in many grades, from VVS, very, very slightly included, to I, included. An included diamond may have visible imperfections, but many are still beautiful and brilliant, especially if the inclusions are small or placed near the edges where they can be hidden under prongs in jewelry. The advantage? Affordability. You can buy a larger diamond with some inclusions for a fraction of the price of a smaller flawless one. Gem cutters and jewelers often use clever cuts and settings to hide imperfections and enhance the stone's appearance. That's why even included diamonds can look stunning in the right hands. Let's talk money. The difference in price between a flawless diamond and an included diamond of the same carat and cut can be dramatic. For example, a 1-carat flawless diamond might cost $15,000 to $25,000. A 1-carat SI1 diamond, slightly included, might cost $3,000 to $5,000. That's up to 5 times the price, even though both diamonds may appear nearly identical in a ring setting. So, if you're buying for beauty and style, a slightly included diamond can offer better value. But if you're investing for rarity, resale, or legacy, flawless stones hold their place at the top of the market. So which diamond is better? A flawless diamond offers unmatched purity and rarity, a treasure for collectors and luxury buyers. An included diamond, when well chosen, can offer amazing brilliance at a lower cost, perfect for engagement rings and everyday beauty. At the end of the day, every diamond is unique, just like a fingerprint from the earth. Whether it's flawless or filled with natural history, what truly matters is how it speaks to you.